Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply mute all participants in your Zoom meeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply be in Zoom, and then like Zoom application, let's click new meeting and start the meeting. Now my voice will change a little bit because like I got another app which is using my mic. Then you're gonna see here in participants, click on it, and now you're gonna see this mute all. Mute all current and new participants. Allow participants to unmute themselves. This is really good when people are going to join, like you're going to have like 15 people in your Zoom call. This is really important to have. So you want to just click mute all and that you got it. Or ask all to unmute and you can simply invite someone. So this is how we do it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and yeah,